Welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms, where we are all about faith, family, home, and farm. I hope you find something on our channel that will encourage you and inspire you on your journey. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, hit like and subscribe, and be sure to turn that little notifications bell on so you'll get notified every time a brand new video is uploaded. We hope to see you in each and every one. Thanks for watching. Welcome to the farm, my new hydroponics growing system. Yes, I've got a friend that owns a thrift store in town, and she knew right off the bat that I would be interested in this. So I flew to town right quick and went and bought it, and this is actually going to start traveling with me. So I can grow herbs anytime, anywhere I want to, as long as it fits in my box. Remember, hubby said I could bring it. Y'all, I was so surprised when I got this home and I opened it up. Everything is brand new. Look, box, nothing's been open except, now I did open that package right there and to look inside of it, but then I wanted to go back and show y'all this. Never been used. Everything was still in the package, hardly ever been open. Owner's manual, y'all, is wonderful. Now, I do still have my 2 Aerogardens, y'all. I have not gotten rid of them. My friend just knew that I was going to be interested in this one, and I'm like, hey, why not? I'll have 3. This will come in handy for starting seeds for plants to go in the garden. Everything. I can take it on work trips with me, like I said, and just grow herbs anywhere, anytime I want to. The owner's manual, y'all, really has a lot more information in it than the Aerogarden manual. It is not complicated at all. And the thing about this one is there's only just a few buttons that you mash, and when you mash that one button, it's already pre-programmed. Okay, I love all the visual pictures in the owner's manual, everything, and it comes with its own plant food. Now, I will say that the plant food is not what I'm used to, and it was kind of complicated for me to figure out. But for the sake of setting it up and using it, we read the directions, we followed the directions. It was a little more complicated than the plant food that comes with the Aerogardens, but we figured it out and we used it. But I will say, I will be using some liquid plant food like what I use in my Aerogarden. I won't be using the plant food that comes with this anymore. The sticks are like to help brace plants when they get a little bigger, when you get ready to transplant them. So we got it all fixed up. We filled it up with water to the fill line, just like the instructions said. And then I started opening up the little dirt pods. There's the cages. There's your little dirt pods. It's got a hole in it to where you drop your seeds down into. And then there's the cages, and y'all look at all these wonderful seeds I've got. I'm going to be going through my seeds, figuring out what I want to plant. The good thing about this one is, y'all, it grows 12 pods of plants at a time. Yes, my 2 Aerogardens are only the 6 pods. So this one is actually bigger. And when we're not traveling, like I said, I'll be still using it at home. So this one's going to get a workout since it is 12 pods. So I play around with my seeds. If you don't know what I'm talking about, my Aerogarden, I will tag those 2 videos at the end of this one. It is another brand of a hydroponics system that I use to start plants in that's going to go in the garden outside or to grow herbs indoors with. And I show you setup and how it works and everything in those 2 videos. So they will be linked at the end of this video. I got it all set up, full of water, got the pump turned on, I tested it, made sure the lights were working, and it just sounds like a water fountain, y'all. Of course, dear hubby said, sounds like I gotta pee. It was just a chain reaction with the water running. But y'all, it's okay. It sounds like a water fountain. And it, like I said, that's the only buttons that's on it. Then I picked out all my seeds that I wanted and dropped the seeds down into the little hole, put the dirt pot in the cage. It comes with stickers that you write on, put on top of the cage to let you know what's planted. The other little beady stickers can go in a notebook to take notes of the name, the date that you planted them, and to keep up with it. And then there's the little domes that goes on top to help create the warmth to germinate and sprout the seeds. Here it is all set up. It's running. I'm loving it. Now, y'all, look at the pictures at the end, and I show you the growing process to show how it grows this. I will link this in our Amazon store too, because y'all, this one is actually less expensive than the Aerogarden brand. So I'll put this in our Amazon store too on my gardening playlist. This is a great idea to help you grow those herbs indoors all year long. Thanks for watching.